Came on about 11 o'clock. We braised some oxtails. We got about 2 packs of oxtails. This is the 18-quart oven roaster. It steams, it roasts, it bakes, it's all something else over there. I got it for Christmas, just opened it today. This is the first meal. And I was like, what on earth am I going to cook that I will cook 18 quarts? And voila! Oxtails. Big old pan of oxtails. Apparently, this is supposed to hold that. Oh. So it's basically just boiling, bacon, oven. I'm like, do I want rice? Do I want pasta? I know that would be. Look, I learned how to make pasta. I want pasta and everything. That's insane. That's insane. That's good. That's some good news, y'all. Wait. That's good. The larger ones, I think the larger one needs to cook on. Let's see what we got on. Let's go with that. I might not need to cook it anymore. I can see it fall on the bowl right there. That roll in a minute. So, actually, you know, I could probably give it a little stir so y'all can see. The sauce is insane. I'm gonna flip them over because they've been kind of sitting. Look at that. Yeah, they'll fall off the bone all right. I'm missing some of my big ones. Some of my big ones are gone. I'm missing some oxtails. Y'all know how we had 2 whole packages of oxtails in it. I'm gonna sit it back down so I can give it a good stir. So, what I have here is carrots, onions, and tomatoes in the oxtails, and I cooked it off in some beef broth. Cooked it off. I'm really missing some oxtails. I guess they did eat because remember we had. This is. I'm counting my oxtails, y'all.